Can you describe PLM solutions at SAP in 3 words?
Integrated, future-proof, efficient. My name is Heiko Ennen and I'm the head of Digitalization and IT at Rose+Krieger, part of the Phoenix Mecano Group. I'm responsible for driving our company's digital transformation from IT infrastructure and ERP systems to process digitalization and innovative solutions for our business. Rose+Krieger develops and produces modular system solutions for industrial automation, including linear motion units, connecting technology and profile assembly systems. We are known for our high level of customization and engineering excellence since 1972.
So can you share a little bit why you chose SAP?
The decision to choose the public cloud was a well-considered long-term decision. Integrating engineering with SAP Integrated Product Development, short IPD, seamlessly was therefore a logical step. In addition, SAP IPD offers a better overall cost structure compared to alternative solutions.
What is your favorite feature of SAP's portfolio for PLM?
The close connection of project management, product data and ERP processes within one platform.
Do you see any impact of AI in your daily work already?
Yes, AI supports us in process analysis and decision making.
Could you share with me what is your next step with SAP solutions for PLM?
Together with CDON and SAP, we are now starting the explore and prepare phases for SAP IPD, bringing together all sites, departments and their processes into one harmonized approach. The official project kickoff is in the last quarter of 2025. We have invited all key stakeholders and partners, CDON, SAP and CPRO, to be on site at our headquarters to start this important journey together. Our main focus is on automating the interfaces between CAD, PLM and ERP to achieve a true single source of truth. This will allow us to ensure full data consistency and transparency across the entire product lifecycle. We also place strong emphasis on collaboration between engineering, production and purchasing, enabling faster and more reliable change management throughout all product and project phases. Of course, we are aware of the challenges ahead. The biggest one lies in the complexity of the project and in change management itself. Transformation starts in the minds of our key users, and it's essential that everyone embraces the best practice approach of SAP. This mindset shift requires continuous guidance and communication throughout the project. In addition, we plan to integrate SAP AI capabilities early on to accelerate decision-making and streamline our standard processes. Our ultimate goal is a transparent, end-to-end and scalable solution that supports our group strategy and helps us become a true market leader in our segment.